Hi everyone, welcome back again to my channel. I hope you all are having a wonderful day today. So I've come again here for doing my English practices as previously I have uploaded multiple videos. In today's video particularly I am going to basically describe my routine. Nowadays I'm searching for a job, so what I do for getting the job I'll just describe it in this video so that most of the people can basically try my experience and use it to get a job in a short span of time. So if you are a fresher or if you have experience, so first of all you need to create some profile in multiple places, such as most of the one which I recommended you to basically create a profile, which is like Naukri.com. It is a very great place to update yourself, because there are most of the chances you get call from authentic companies, because in other platform there are a lot of places where they are charging money for giving you the reference. So this is a thing happening in today's world, right? So yeah, so multiple time I received calls from the organization that they are looking for candidates in the same field which I have posted the profile. And along with that, in different fields, such as like I am working for like BPO, KPO, such a kind of industry. So I will get the calls, and over the calls and virtual, we got selected and we got some sort of job. So but in different industries, such as like accounts or something else, uh, they basically invite you to give the walk-in interview. After that, if you get selected, that is good. Otherwise you need to basically went to another company and just search it. So it is basically time taking. But if you are going to give the interview in a day, so it will basically take 1 to 2 hours. That is more than enough. But in walking, the whole basically day will go on just giving the interview for one company. So I prefer to basically give the interviews from the home. And if somebody is from the living in his hometown and looking for to relocate himself, so first of all he just need to give the interview by sitting at their home, and after that moving forward to the job place where these companies exist. So yeah, day to day basically there are a lot of big MNCs which generally don't call the candidates basically. So most of the people and candidates like to visit their website and just apply there. There are times, but they do have a very a long period in which they will call you and the process will start it. So if somebody is want to get the job within a short span of time, so he should need to basically get a reference through which he can basically get the procedure fast, right? So these are the things. And for clearing the interview, we should need to practice every day for the things which they are asking you. So most of the time I went to the interviews just feeling what are the questions they are asking. After that I try to learn that questions and just try to give the suitable answer which they are asking for. So yeah, these are the things which I implement in my day-to-day life, and it helps me to basically understand like what's the organization is expecting from me, my roles, right? What are the roles of the companies, and do I align with the same roles? So these are the things which we need to prepare before giving the interviews, and we need to understand like what the company's vision, because without vision the company cannot exist. As a person do not have purpose, he cannot able to basically reach to the point. This So this is most important. Passion and vision most are the important. As I'm uploading the video, I at the end of my life I just want to basically educate people in English language. That is my major goal, because yeah, I just have in that situation where I found it very difficult to basically crack the interview. Yeah, so I do not want to basically feel people that in the same way, just trying at least 5 to 10 minutes of practice every day, they can reach to the point to basically crack the interview. This is as easy as it is, right? So for today's video, that is it. I hope you find this video helpful. Bye bye. Have a great day ahead.